I can't get. That's 3, 4, 5.
Guess what his record is?
200.
No, 27. He doesn't have a
I just
crop.
lost count.
That was 4. This is 5. He doesn't have a crop like a chicken or even a big
That would
parrot.
be 7 because he's already had.
Okay,
So that's
9. It doesn't matter. Just feed him.
11, 12, 13. You have a pet on your shoulder. 14.
Yeah, it's Tiki Bird.
15. 16, possibly 17. Okay, that's 17. This is much. 18.
There's a pheasant on the cage in the back. Sometimes she has actually flown to my arm and taken some.
21. 22.
I think we miscounted.
23.
I think 27 was his record. I don't know. See how many he takes now.
25. He's struggling. I won't count that one since it was much.
No, that's got to count. That's 27. And when he flies and lands, he's going to throw half of those up. Look how thick his neck's got.
I saw.
That's all blueberries. I'll throw him up on the moose. He won't appreciate that.
One. Sure. I sit right there.
Yeah, you can scatter some around and give the rest to Forrest. You can give some to Lolita, the other Amazons.
You actually touch him. He always lets me get like right up to petting him and then whoa.
He's a weird one.
Daniel.
No, don't call him that. Here's some blueberries. You want a blueberry? How about that? You like that? All right. Hello, are you begging? Are you begging for blueberries? Huh? Don't step on the quail, or the guinea pigs, or the rabbits. Here, you want some?
Oh, there's all of them.
What?
Everything.
Yeah, there's toe-bunt chickens. There are solid white, bobwhite quail. There are the blue egg celadon caturnix quail. There are guinea pigs and rabbits.
Hot.
This guy.
You're
That's
you're the one that's always screaming anytime I leave.
This is the fake Lolita.
That's the one that screams.
And there's the other fake Lolita. Y'all want some blueberries? Here.